Diwali is so near and I have got you some easy Diwali lanterns and tea light holder. I have also done a part 1 on Diwali decoration. If you haven't checked it out, you can check it on the description or on my DIY festive decoration playlist. So let's begin with today's video. For the first DIY, you'll need a cardboard box. Cut the flaps from the top and bottom. Now cut a window on the front and back of the cardboard and stick paper tape on all the sides for a cleaner look. After sticking the paper tape, now paint the box using acrylic paint. Then cut two rectangle pieces out of baking sheet which is of the size of the box. Now draw any design on the baking sheet. And stick the sheets on the window that we cut on the box like so. That's it. Use LED tea lights. I got this from Amazon. I'll leave the purchase link on the description. I placed these lanterns with plants. The combination of brown and green looked perfect. You can also use these lanterns as a plant holder like I did. Moving to the second idea, you need a box like this closed from all sides except the top. Now draw some triangles on all the sides of the box and cut it using an X-Acto knife and scissors. This will take about few minutes. Now apply white glue or Mod Podge on the box and stick a tissue paper like so and apply more glue on top. So this is how it should look like. Now paint it as you like. I went with two colors. I'm also making some illustrations on it so that even during the day it looks beautiful as a decorative piece. Now punch holes on the top, front and back side of the box like so. Tie a string to hang it. So this is how the easy DIY hanging lantern turned out. For the third DIY, take a clean juice can and cut it in 4 different sizes. Now using hot glue gun or with this super glue, stick fabric around the can. Tuck in the remaining fabric like so. Repeat this to the rest 3 cans as well. Take a circle shaped cardboard which is slightly bigger than the diameter of the tin can. Now cover these with fabric too. You'll need 2 for each cylinder. Stick the can and the cardboard pieces together like this with hot glue gun or super glue. quick and easy tea light holder is done. I placed them on a tray and decorated it with some flowers. You can also check out my part 1 of the Diwali decoration wherein I made a wall mount tea light holder using cardboard. So yes, have a happy and safe Diwali. Bye.